Kraken Courses 101 review. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my Kraken 101 course review. I'm here inside the members area of Kraken Courses 101. During this video, I will be giving you a full run through and a demo of what is inside the members area and how this particular course works. So this is basically an info course teaching you how to make digital or online courses very easily, and this course has been put up by Paul Tilley, and he's worked in the education field for the past 20 years, and he really knows what he's teaching and what he's really doing in this particular course. So Kraken Courses is a 101 overview on how to get to the top and of making a course and start developing your own digital products very easily. So Paul, the product creator, is going to take you through the entire process of creating a digital product from start to finish. So he's will be guiding us in this particular journey, and Paul will also show you how to get your listings on Munchai, Warrior Plus, and able to get other people to promote your products. So there are basically two sites, Munchai and Warrior Plus. These are the two sites where you list your products, so that you can just list your products and really make people sell these products for you. And you can make very good money with this particular Kraken Courses 101, because it teaches you from the basics. So if you are really interested in this course, you click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And just scroll down on this bonus page, you're going to get this buy now button. Just click on this button, which will take you to my sales page, which looks something like this. And on the sales page, you're going to click on this button, click here to join. Of course, this will go live as on the 12th of November, 11 AM Eastern. So when this goes live, you can get the product, and this product is going to cost you only 7.97 USD for the front end. So I have put in a lot of bonuses for you in this particular course, and I don't want you to miss on any of these bonuses, because I've taken a lot of time to put these bonuses together for you, and I just want to have a quick run through of the bonuses I have put for you. The bonus number one is, the bonus number one, what I put is, is a supreme bonus, access to a super bundle of over 35 bonuses. These are a lot of courses on affiliate marketing and how to market your course, and also and you can give these bonuses free of cost to the people who buy your courses. And this is a very much useful in making and marketing your Kraken courses in the future. So this is one, bonus number one. Bonus number two, what I put in for you is the equipment you need to make a digital product. What are the equipment required to make a digital product? I have gone through all the equipment required, very simple equipment, and this will be this course will be telling you all the digital equipment. Of course, they're not very expensive initially, so you can just buy these products from Amazon.com, and you can start off right away. So this is your bonus number two. Bonus number three, what I put in for you is how to build a buyer's list. So the money is in the list, guys. The money is always in the list. So what you have to do is how to make a buyer's list. So now you got a course, you got all the equipment required to make this course, and now the next thing is you have to require a buyers list wherein you can promote your courses on a regular basis. So this is very important, how to build a buyers list. So this is bonus number 3. And the bonus number 4, what you're going to get access to is how to turn your WordPress site into a ClickFunnels. So this is very important. You require a funnel to sell your products. You're going to make a funnel. So here you're going to get access to a course which tells you how to convert a WordPress into a ClickFunnels. So this is your bonus number 4, and bonus number 5 is I've given access to all the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you. So this is the bonus number 5, and the bonuses that he has given away they are all in the members area for you, and you can just have a look at the bonuses what this vendor has given. So all these are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even if you pick up the front end of this course, which is just going to cost you around 7.97 USD. So to get all the bonuses, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. That will take you to the bonus page, which looks like this. Scroll down this link, page, and you're going to get this buy now button. Just click on this buy now button, and it will take you to the sales page, and there you can access this. There you can you click one more button which says access product now. So just click on that button, and it will take you to the payment gateway of Warrior Plus. So the moment you purchase this product, now the question that will arise in your mind is, where do I get all these bonuses? So what you have to do is, the moment you finish your payment on Warrior Plus, you're going to come across a page like this, which on which there is a red button on the top right hand corner which says username, or it will have your affiliate ID. Just click on this button. There's going to be a drop down menu, and click on this button, purchase history. It will take you to a page. It will take you to an intermediate page. Then finally you click on the button which says 101 Kraken courses. Just click on that hyperlink, and that will bring you to a page exactly like this. This will be your receipt page, and all you have to do is, there's going to be a green button here which is access your purchase. You just have to click on this green button, and you will get access to your purchase. Down below is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. Just click on that button, and you're going to get all the bonuses what I've advertised here for you guys. So this is that's where you're going to get all your bonuses. And I want to tell you one more thing. The front end is just going to cost you around 7.97 US dollars. So I just wanted to talk about the various upsells Tilly has put in, Paul has put in for us. The upsells are, I just want to go to upsells for just a minute. Yeah, the upsell number 1 is the front end I told you is going to cost you around 7.97 USD. Upgrade number 1 is you're going to get Kraken courses premium, which costs you around 47 USD. In-depth advanced premium training. You will learn to go through developing a whole course, where to find ideas, advanced material, upsells and downsells, and developing a funnel, working with affiliate, developing contests, so promoting an offer. Everything you're going to learn in this premium course, which is going to cost you around 47 USD. If you are serious about developing this particular business or developing courses, then I say you have to check out on this 47 USD product. Then there's the upsell number 2 is going to cost you around 66.97 USD. It's a sign up monthly digital product. So a document is sent to you every month. First week, it's basically a member site, it's a membership site outlining an MMO product creation. So for example, this could be a 5-part method outline. Basically, this provides a template every month by which you can create a digital product which you can really sell. This is your upgrade number 2. Upgrade number 3 is complete set of my previous products for a one-time low price of 97 USD. Hydra Mails, Razor Paint, Laser Point Profits, Echo Profits, Download Dollar. So all these are and you're going to get over 130 PRL home business products to resell. So it's a fantastic upgrade for $97. And upgrade number 4, you're going to get the Monster done for you complete digital product, which is going to cost you around $1,900. JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Forum, Shopify, Element, etc., etc., etc. All these places can be very profitable to sell your right product, but we know that it can be a real pain to create your own product. Here, this is where I come in. So he's going to create a real product for you, and you can make your money here, including everything: email swipe, JV pages, thank you pages, everything is going to make. And so it's going to be a length of around 60 minutes length is going to create. So this is going to cost you around 1900 USD. So if you're really very much interested in this particular, it's quite a steep price for done for you product. So I suggest that you can start off with your front end, and this upgrade premium is a very good. You have to take up this at least 1-2 you have to take up, so that you really have this particular a little more in-depth knowledge of how to create your own website. So let me just run through the sales page once. So what the sales page has got to say before I go into the members area. And you can all want to earn, how to make earn 3000 USD per month. Yes, of course, making a good course, and you can really make this type of money again and again and again. And even though you created a course quite some time back, 1 year, 2 years back, and still people keep coming to it. Once you advertise on the web, it will be there forever, and you can just keep making money on this. So 3000 per month could be as a beginner, it will be a bit of a challenge, but as things go through, as you start learning more and more in this particular business, you will start earning this type of money. So really, yes, you can make 3000 up to $3,000 per month. And here there is this demo video of this particular thing. You can come and check it out at your own time. And here you're going to get this is a product creator. And now why I created this course, he explains about why he's created this course. So basically he says you have no product to sell, you have a product to sell, but you have no inventory, so you don't need blueprints or designers and all that. You do not have a phone or a laptop with a camera. Yes, you think you can develop and start selling courses in less than a weekend. So if you just have these three hardware, you can just start selling your course. So this is basically, you can come and read this at your own time, so that I don't want to take much of your time over here. And let me, without wasting any more time, I just want to go into the members area and take you on what is there in the members area. So this is here, the members area here. So start here, you're going to get how to start this particular how to start going through this course. So how to write emails and how to join the FB group, follow us on YouTube, all these things is there on how to this. Start here. Then the next one is the main course, which is divided into 5 days of course for you, so that is 6 days. So that course 1, what are your aims, where to sell your product, find your niche, course ideas for anyone. This is day 3. Day 4 is let's pre-sell our course. Day 5 is putting your course all together, and day 6 is getting others to sell your course for you. So this is in basic basically front end of this product. Will be getting all this, and of course the bonuses, what I told you, all the bonuses will be available for you here. So at this is the front end course for you here, Kraken 101 courses. So this is in brief about this particular Kraken 101 course. And guys, I feel the front end along with the the OTO number 1, which cost you around 49 USD, is the right pick for you. And my take on this particular course, it is a very good course because Paul Tilley is a experienced marketer. He has been in the education field for over 20 years. He knows what he's teaching, and my take on this would be 9 out of 10, guys. It'll be a 9 out of 10, and it's definitely a very good course for you to pick up. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share and like this particular video, which is really going to help me in my rankings. So thank you very much, guys, and until my next video, goodbye.